Hi, it's Celeste, your canary in the coal mine. So today I wanted to talk about the three big things we always think about when we break food down: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. So the two things that your body uses for fuel are the fats and the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates are the fast-acting fuel, and the fats are the slower-acting fuel. The protein is used as the building blocks of the structure of your body. It's the protein that your muscles are made out of and other organs are made out of. Yes, there may be some fat in there too, because fat is the stored form of the energy your body needs. If we had to eat every single time we were running out of fuel, which would be what would happen if we were running on carbohydrates only, we would have probably died out as a species a long time ago. But because we have this ability to take any excess calories that we've eaten, convert it into fat, and store it around in different places in the body, that gives us a backup fuel supply so that when the food available in the environment is lacking, we have a way to continue to survive. Protein, if you're not eating an excess of it, almost never contributes to energy. Protein is about the building of your body. It's the other two things that are about providing you with the energy you need for daily life. Now, carbohydrates, are further divided into simple sugars and starch. Starch is just kind of two simple sugars glued together. So you might have heard that starches also break down into sugar in the body because those molecules split into those two separate simple sugars. So I hope that clarified a little bit that we mostly want to eat the carbs and the fats. We want to eat enough protein to be the repair materials when the body gets injured or needs maintenance. But we don't need to eat big, huge quantities of protein because it's not really where our body is being fueled from. So I hope that clarifies a little bit about the three big ingredients in food for you. And I want you to, as usual, I want you to get well and stay well. And I hope that these videos and the other things that I do, such as providing online courses, can help you with that process. Thanks.